If you're battling an infection, you need to know this about mushrooms. They aren't just tasty, they're powerful little health warriors. Packed with antioxidants and beta-glucans, mushrooms help strengthen your immune system. This means fewer coughs, colds, and flu bugs taking you down. Organic closed-cup mushrooms worked for me. However, shiitake, reishi, and maitake mushrooms are your best friends here, highly recommended for immune support. So next time you're feeling under the weather, consider adding these to your diet. Your body will thank you.